Did you know that after age 30, we start losing 3 to 5% of muscle mass every decade? And for seniors, this can lead to weakness, falls, and even serious injuries. But here's the good news. You can fight muscle loss with the right diet. Today, I'm sharing 6 must-eat superfoods that will keep you strong, mobile, and independent for years to come. Make sure to watch till the end, because number 5 is the most underrated muscle-boosting food. Number 1. Eggs. The perfect muscle food. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein and leucine, an amino acid essential for muscle repair. Plus, they're easy to cook, budget-friendly, and a great way to start the day. Try scrambled eggs with spinach for an extra boost of iron and vitamins. Number 2. Fatty fish omega-3 for strength. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and preserve muscle mass. A study even found that seniors who eat more omega-3 have stronger muscles. Aim for 2 servings of fish per week, grilled, baked, or in a salad. Number 3. Lean meat, more protein, more power. Chicken, turkey, and lean beef are full of complete protein, helping your body rebuild muscles. If you're struggling with weakness, adding more lean meat to your diet can make a big difference. Choose grass-fed meats for better nutrients and fewer hormones. Number 4. Nuts and seeds, small but mighty. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds contain healthy fats, protein, and magnesium, which are key for muscle function and recovery. Plus, they make an easy grab-and-go snack. Eat a handful of mixed nuts daily, but watch portions to avoid extra calories. Number 5. Greek yogurt muscle repair. Hero, this one's a game changer. Greek yogurt has double the protein of regular yogurt and contains probiotics for gut health. It's a perfect post-workout snack for muscle recovery. Mix it with honey and nuts for a delicious and nutritious snack. Number 6. Leafy greens, muscle-protecting nutrients. Spinach, kale, and collard greens are rich in magnesium, calcium, and antioxidants, all essential for maintaining muscle function and preventing cramps. Add greens to smoothies, omelets, or salads for an easy health boost. So there you have it, 6 superfoods to keep your muscles strong as you age. What's your favorite muscle-boosting food? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, science-backed health tips.